Another way to work with the corkboard, and to be honest, one of my favorites, is to use the inspector. Now, to use the inspector, you just come over here, and there's a nice big blue eye here that you'll find over on the right-hand side, Show or Hide Inspector. So when we show the inspector, we can look at our different cards on the corkboard here. And you're able to just click in here and add your synopsis or just some outline notes that will allow you to see at a glance what a particular chapter or what a particular scene is all about. So let's say I click on this introduction one and I just jot down introduction to the idea of this book. I can also do that directly on the card. So say let me just pull idea one up here, and idea one is use the internet to get your ideas all over the world. Now, if I press a hard return, it will just pin that to the board. So what I can do, if you wanted to put more than one line on here, you'd have to press down the Alt or the Option key and the return, and that will take you down to the next line. Alternatively, what you can do is come over here, see in the inspector here, and you can just in the inspector you can just drop in a hard return, and that will take you down to the next line. So and obviously that's then reflected on the cards. A third way in which you can apply a synopsis very easily and very quickly, and it's not immediately apparent that you can do this, is over here. There's a small icon, auto generate synopsis from text, and what this will do is it will take the text from the first lines of your whatever text is in the actual document. So say I'm looking at idea 2 here, and I can just press that, and it will pull directly from the document and drop in those first lines. So it could just be something that would remind you basically what's in that particular document. So that's how to create your synopsis. There are a number of ways to do it. Direct on the card, over here in the synopsis card itself under the inspector, or auto generate. And then obviously you can just click in, double click, and you can make your changes directly here or here. So yeah, I hope that's helpful, and you can see some ways in which you might use it in your projects.